This is how to play uzuliphathe kahle leli vangeli by Joyous Celebration. The original key of the song is the key of E, but in this video I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp. Okay, without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing this song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. So it says uzuliphathe kahle leli vangeli. Alright, and then from there it says ujesu alifela makawe enkosa lishumayela uzuliphathe kahle leli vangeli. Okay, the chord progression is very easy, so let's break it down. It starts right here on this chord. This is our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as C sharp major first inversion. Okay, this is our first inversion, and then from here it goes here. This is our second inversion, C sharp major second inversion, also known as our number 1. From here it comes here to this chord. I believe everyone can see it. This is our number 2, okay, also known as D sharp minor chord, and it's a second inversion. And then from 2 it goes to 4, which is F sharp major chord. From 4 it goes to 5, this chord right here. This is G sharp major second inversion. Okay, it's our number 5 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. Okay, from 5 it goes back to 4 and then 1, first inversion. Okay, let's play it again. It's 1 1 2 4 5 2 4 1. Let's do it again. It's 1 1 2 4 5 4 1. Okay, this is where it says uzuliphathe kahle leli vangeli. Okay, play it with me. Uzuliphathe kahle leli vangeli. Okay, before we move to the last part, we're gonna introduce the bass. So when you play your first chord on the left, you're gonna play 1. Okay, okay, when you play your number 2 on the left, you go to 4. You only change when you get to this chord. Okay, you wanna stay on number 1, play 1, and when play your second inversion, when you get to 2, you change on the left, you play number 4, which is F sharp note. Okay, and then you stay there until you play 4. When you go to 5, you change also on the left, you go to 5. You stay on number 5 until you play 4, and then you go to 1. Okay, I believe you can see it. You just skip one chord, you change. You skip one chord and you change. You're gonna play 1, skip one chord, play, skip one chord, play, skip one chord and play on the left, right? Okay, let's play it for the last time. Uzuliphathe kahle leli vangeli. Okay, uzuliphathe kahle leli vangeli. I believe you saw it. So we're gonna move to the last part. Our last part starts right here on our C sharp major second inversion. Okay, ujesu alifela, and then it goes to 2. This is D sharp minor chord. From here, from 1 it goes to 2, back to 1 and then 2. Sorry, back to 1 and then 5. I'm gonna do it again. It's 1 2 1 5. Okay, ujesu alifela makawe enkosa lishumayela, and then you play uzuliphathe kahle leli vangeli. not that difficult, right? I'm gonna repeat again for the last time on our last part. It's 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 2, 1, and then you play da 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 da. All right, I believe you saw it. So on our last part, we're gonna introduce the bass. When you play your C sharp major second inversion, on the left you're gonna play 1. When you go to 2, also on the left you go to 2. You stay there until you play your second inversion, C sharp major second inversion. When you get to number 5, you also change on the left, you go to 5. Okay, when you go back to 1, on the left you also go to 1. Ali Shumayela, and then you stay there until you play uzuliphathe kahle leli vangeli. You already know how to play that one. Okay, I'm gonna repeat it again for the last time. Ujesu walifela makawe enkosi alishumayela uzuliphathe kahle leli vangeli. Alright, I believe you saw it, so I'm gonna play it with the beat. Okay, I'm gonna play the whole thing. From the beginning. So that's the simple version. There's a lot of things that you can do to make it sound even more nice. For example, you can add some passing chords just like this. But I'll do that version next time. Okay, I believe you guys learned something from this video. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Until we meet again, God bless you.